So Galaxy S23 just got a brand new update that is around 400 MB in size. This is the first security patch of 2024 and probably the last One UI 6 update before we can see One UI 6.1. This update has started rolling out across Europe and many other countries like US T-Mobile. S23 also got this update just yesterday. Talking about the changelog, it says device stability improvements, bug fixes, new or enhanced features and further improvement to performance. If you are thinking about OLED screen burn-in protection feature with this update, sadly that is not available. We will be hopefully seeing it with One UI 6.1 and that update will be available around Feb or March of 2024. As you can see from this new video, One UI 6.1 will have a new alarm customization option. This will allow you to change background to any image, so you can use different alarms with different backgrounds. After a year, S23 has held up really well, both in terms of updates and bug fixes. I can't remember a day when I had any major issue with Galaxy S23. And after this update, if you are facing any kind of lag, then make sure to wipe cache partition by going into recovery mode. It's a simple process and no data is deleted doing it. For a full step-by-step guide, just check out the video mentioned in description. And also let me know in the comment section if you have got this update yet or not, as many Canadian users are still waiting for the Galaxy S23 to be updated. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.